Hey, what's up? Welcome to the first update of Community Lambo. First of all, thank you for the huge interest in the first video. We already collected some ad revenue and I've ordered some parts and we will add them today. Don't forget to subscribe at Lambo, so you don't miss the progress we made on the Community Lambo project. So I decided to modify the rules a little bit, so I ordered already some parts in advance so that we can already add some parts for the very first step on the Community Lambo, so that we can already start building. But although I have ordered all parts will be added when the revenue is available. So, as I mentioned, the first order is already here and we open this together. So, it's still sealed and let's see what parts we got. Alright, so let's open it. Alright, so that's the best part. No, just kidding. Won't be added to the Community Lambo. But these are the parts we already have. So I ordered a bunch of axles. They were 1 cent each, so easy to add. Some Technic beams. So one will be added right now because we need them. And you see they are olive and dark azure. So yeah, it will be a colorful Lambo. A bunch of gray parts like this. L beams and T beams. So they are green and red. So yeah, it will be partly green, but not lime. A batch of random pieces. Also some more axles. Some gears and more beams. And a lot of pins. So this was about 15-16 euros, but we will add only what we get from the revenue, right? Right. Alright, so here are the parts for the revenue that I will add. So let's bring up the big container, and we gained about 39 cents. And there we go, we have 4 axles of length 3, we have 1 Technic beam, 3 of those here, and 2 pins. Alright, isn't this a good feeling? Yes, it is. The very first parts added to this big box. And remember, when you watch the videos, we gain ad revenue. From the ad revenue, I will add more parts and we will start building the Lambo. And once the Lambo is finished, you get this Lambo, because I will get it away for free once it is finished. So share the video, like the video, comment the video, do whatever you want to do to make this more public. Alright, since we have collected already some parts, we can start building the Lamborghini already. Isn't that awesome? So we start with the 15 size L-beam here. It's in olive and 2 pins will be added. So this is step 1 and step 1 is already complete. Alright, for step 2 we need 4 of those here, but unfortunately we have only 3 right now. So I assume that on the very next update we will have enough revenue available to add the 4th of this one here. So, but we start adding this anyway. So I think it's added like this, and on this side as well. And here is our current progress of the Lamborghini. Isn't that great yet, but it's a marathon, so it might take a while, but we will build this Lamborghini together. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like or comment the video. And here you can see the first part where I do a good explanation of what the community Lambo is about. So make sure that you check this video out as well. And remember, all videos with the hashtag community Lambo will count to the ad revenue.